Let's get one shot before you start in 3, 2, 1, go!
Starting off on time, 1391, trying to shoot a cone into the top node, and they did it. 341 also got a cube onto the second node. 533 also got a cone onto the top node as well. And there are no pilots on their charge station. Same with 1218. Now we're in the tally update, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's going to happen next. 341 is going to take a record cone. And then it looks like 103 scored a cube. That's very cute. 1591 also got a cube. Very cute. I wanted trying to shoot a cone onto the top node, I think, and I was right because I wanted to links in 1391 also got a cone. Let's see if they can get it on correctly, and they did. 103, another cone. It's so nice to see the process of cone. 341, another cone. Look at all these teams getting these top links, and you go, guys. 1391 pushing their cubes into their lowest nodes. 103 doing a cube of top cone. 533 getting a cube, I think, getting a cube right now in the substation. 341 just scored another cone, I believe. 103 getting a cone. 841 just scored a cube, and that gives him 3 links so far. There's this on the blue one getting another cone. 1 getting another cone. And then, let's see, 2607 getting a cube. 533 getting a cube as well. We are in the final stretch. Let's see what teams are going to get on their charge stations. Hopefully we'll get another triple balance. Maybe continue the streak. Let's see what's about to happen. 1391, 1218, and 103 are all there again. Let's see if they can do it. The Red Alliance is also trying to get a triple balance. Can these teams get these in 10 seconds? Let's see. The Red Alliance is struggling, but let's see if they'll pull it off. 103 and 1218 are also on the charge station, and